Hello, super writers. Our target skill for today is I can write opinion pieces that use exact words. Let's investigate this further. When we are writing, we are always asking ourselves, how can I make my writing more exciting? One way to do that today, boys and girls, is to use exact words. So, we know that our sentences are made up of verbs, nouns, and adjectives. Verbs are action words. Nouns are people, places, and things. And adjectives are describing words that describe a noun. We can use different words or more exact verbs, nouns, and adjectives to make our writing more exciting. We can use synonyms to help us do this. Synonyms are when two or more words mean the same thing. For example, the words chilly, cold, and freezing all mean about the same thing. Which sentence is more exciting? It is cold outside. It is freezing outside. The word freezing here gives you a better idea or a better picture of what it looks like outside. So I might use the word freezing to make my writing more exciting. Let's take a look at these sentences here. We were going to be late for school, so I got my backpack and my sister got her coat. We ran out the door. The verb I'm using here, got, doesn't give you a very good picture of what my sister and I do in this sentence. Let's look at some vivid verbs that might make this writing more exciting. A word to replace the word got could be grabbed, snatched, picked, stole, swiped, pulled, or took. Which verbs should I use to replace the word got in these sentences? What if I use the verb grabbed? We were going to be late for school, so I grabbed my backpack and my sister grabbed her coat. We ran out the door. Does this give you a better picture about what we are doing in these sentences? Yes. To make my writing even more exciting, I'm going to try and not repeat words. So I could say, we were going to be late for school, so I grabbed my backpack and my sister snatched her coat. We ran out the door. Now I'm using two different vivid verbs. It's your turn, boys and girls. Read the sentences and use the boxes to replace the repeated word. These words here in the red box are helpful words that might replace the repeated word in the sentence. For example, Toad went fast and the kite went up. Can I replace the repeated word went in this sentence? Replace one of the repeated words with one of these words. Colorful, down, high, flew, funny, blue, mean, ran, and sunny. Write your choice in the square, in the rectangle, and glue it on top of the repeated word. Have fun, super writers. I'll see you next time.